Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V21e and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries. Basically, if you're using any other commonly used browser, this process should look similar. So I'm pretty sure that you will figure out how to remove the history by using this tutorial. So if we are on our browser, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. As you can see here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So basically, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I can imagine that removing it manually may take too much time. So I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top, and here we can do it automatically. So here in the basics we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What's more, here we've got the time range. We can change it from last, I believe what was here, last 4 weeks, to all time or last hour only. It's up to you, of course. And if you're ready, tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.